Hi everyone, I'm Jonas, co-founder of Koalify. Koalify is a HubSpot plugin that makes deduplication easy in HubSpot itself. So all features are embedded in HubSpot and you don't need an extra login. The following features are added when you install Koalify. First of all, the Koalify duplicate properties, as you can see on my screen. Secondly, the Koalify cards. Thirdly, the duplicate rules that you can set in your Koalify app settings. And finally, a Koalify workflow action to merge duplicates easily. Let's zoom in on the Koalify duplicate properties first. We highlight the number of duplicates on each record, how duplicates were identified, so based on which properties, but also on which rule, more on rules later on. And do we consider this record as the primary or master record for a merge or not? And if it's not, what is then the master record ID? We'll use this in the workflow actions later on. These duplicate properties allow you to create views of your duplicates, but also reports, notifications, and workflows to automatically bulk merge duplicates. Let's look at the second functionality that we add, which are the Koalify duplicate cards. So these are highlighted on the right-hand side, and the properties that we use to identify the other record as a duplicate are highlighted here. So we identified HubSpots and HubSpots as a pair of duplicates based on the company name, the company domain name, and on the country or the region. What we can then do is either we merge in the current company being this page, or we highlight it as not a duplicate, and we will never suggest these as duplicates anymore. If you would merge in the current company, we would have a same merge as HubSpot does internally, but the merge is happening over the API. And as you can see, we won't suggest a duplicate anymore. If you would refresh the page, you would see that the merge has happened in HubSpot. Now, if you would go back, refresh our view of duplicates, no duplicates would exist anymore. So let's fix that. Let's take a look at our duplicate rules. If we go to settings, integrations, connected apps, I can find Koalify and go to the configure option next to duplicate rules. Here I can highlight or update specific rules to identify duplicates for contacts and companies. We're focusing on companies, and I haven't found any more duplicates for company name, domain, and country region, which is pretty strict. So let's add another rule only for company name, for example. Find a specific property. You can use any property, also custom properties, to identify duplicates, and can create a combination of different properties as you want. If I click run, we will first search for the number of duplicates, and I can then save the rule, go back to the rules, why it's activated. So now I've identified another pair of duplicates. Let's take a look at my company overview. And there they are. So we now highlighted the new duplicate pair. Let's qualify. They were matched only on the company name, and that's also the name of the rule that we have identified. Now let's merge these duplicates using our Koalify workflow action. I'll navigate to the workflow. It's pretty simple. You only need to add the workflow action of Koalify. Search for Koalify. You'll be able to select our action, and it will merge into the main duplicate ID, which we mentioned earlier in this video. So I'm going to highlight this with the records that we still have. If you go to edit, I can manually enroll a company. I will apply a custom filter. In this case, I only have one duplicate, so I'll make it a pretty loose filter. The Koalify is primary duplicate is equal to false. As I only have two duplicates, one of the two will equal to false, the other one won't. And I will always merge the false one into the true one. So in this case, I will enroll the records. I will wait for a bit, refresh the page. And there you have it. Koalify is enrolled, merged, and if I open the records, I can already see in the redirect that is happening that the company has been merged, and you can see it in the timeline as well. There you go. So that's it. These were our main Koalify features. Just a short conclusion. We add properties to help you create views, reports, and notifications of your duplicates. You can set your own custom rules to identify duplicates. The cards were added to support you and your customer-facing teams to merge duplicates easily. And we have the workflow actions to merge in bulk or even automatically if you set enrollment criteria. I hope this helps, and let's make deduplication easy in HubSpot. Reach out if you have any questions or want to share your use case. Always interested to learn more about how you're handling duplicates in HubSpot. Thanks.